Here we have a problem from week 8, chapter 13. A long solenoid with 10 turns per centimeter has a cross-section area, carries a current of 0.25 amperes. A coil with 7 turns encircles the solenoid. When the current through solenoid is turned off, it decreases to 0 in 0.04 seconds. What is the magnitude of the average EMF induced in the coil? Okay, so basically we have a given values where the number of turns per centimeter is 10 turns per centimeter. So in meter it has to be 10 turns divided by 0.01 in meter. So it should be 1000 turns in 1 meter. Okay, then you have cross-section area, which is 5 centimeter squared, which is 5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 meter squared. Then you have a current, which is 0.25 amperes, and you have 7 turns, which is encircles the solenoid. So when current is off, okay, this is, let's say, current 1. When current 2 is off, which is 0 ampere, when it's 0 ampere, the field B2 becomes 0 at delta T of 0.04 seconds. We have to find induced EMF. What is induced EMF in this case? So first of all, we know that magnetic field inside the solenoid is defined by a formula where B is equal mu naught number of turns per meter multiplied current 1. So let's say this is the first one when current was there. Then we have B2 when current was 0, so we know that B2 becomes automatically 0, correct? So first of all, we can find what is B1. So B1 is, you can calculate it, it will be 4 pi 10 to the power of minus 7, n is 1000, multiplied, the current was 0.25, okay, this one you can calculate it. After that, the induced EMF is equal negative of the number of turns, dF over dt, or negative n dBA over dt. Since area is a constant, we can say negative n area dB over dt. Now, dB over dt, you can also write it down as a delta B and delta T. Okay, so let's continue that one. Then EMF is negative n area delta B over delta T. Okay, number of turns here is 7. Area is 5 times 10 to the power of minus 4. Delta B is B final minus B initial. B final is 0, and B initial is this number, okay? So let's calculate it. So 4 times 3.14 times 10 to the power of minus 7 multiplied 1000 multiplied 0.25. So here you will get 3.14 times 10 to the power of minus 4, okay, and divided by the delta T, which is 0.04 seconds. If you do calculate it, you should get the answer.